how to fix Roblox crashing on mobile. So go to your iPhone or iPad settings, and right here the first thing that we need to do is search for background and select this option, background app refresh. Now from here we want to find Roblox, and if it's not turned on, we want to just turn it on. That's the first thing that we need to do. The second thing is, again, we have to go to the settings and search for offload unused apps, and you will see this option. Select the first one. We want to find Roblox. We want to click on it, and we will see this option to offload the app. Just select it and just click on offload app. So after we have done this, simply click on reinstall app. Give it some time to reinstall. I'll come back in a second. Okay, so now it's reinstalled. If we go back, we can see the Roblox app right here, and it's everything saved. So now you will no longer crash. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.